Want to know how to farm dragon stones fast in Dokkan Battle? Okay, so we will be talking about the fastest way to farm dragon stones. So, first things first, just simply clear all story events and normal quests. Did you want tons of stones early on? Next, check daily missions and limited time events. Even logging in every day gives you stones. Don't skip the beginner missions either. They stack up quick. You can also earn more by completing Z battles, boss draws, and Dokkan events. Once you've done most content, look out for campaign bonuses, especially anniversaries and celebrations. Those gives free multi-summons worth of stones. And of course, don't waste them on random banners. Save for Dokkan Fist or dual Dokkan Fist units. So yeah, stay consistent, clear everything, and you'll be sitting on hundreds of store at night. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.